In this video, we'll explore how to effortlessly create presentations using the AI Slides feature in Rational Go. First, navigate to your workspace by clicking the Dashboard button in the top right corner. Once in the dashboard, click on the Presentations Quick Action. This inserts a template prompt into the chat box. Simply clear it and type your desired request. For this demonstration, we are using a very basic prompt. Create a 10 slides detailed presentation on Marvel Studios without providing any further context or source material. Watch as the autonomous AI springs into action. In the side panel, you can monitor its complete thought process. It independently conducts internet research, sources appropriate images, or generates its own and writes the content while building the slides from scratch. Once the process is complete, it renders the finished presentation right in your browser. Let's review the final result. As we navigate through the slides, you can see it produced a comprehensive and visually cohesive deck. From detailing the MCU phases to analyzing box office economics, the AI intelligently structured the information and applied on-brand styling, all derived from that single simple sentence. Getting your work out of the platform is just as easy. You can download the presentation directly as a fully editable PowerPoint file or a PDF. And remember, if you ever need tweaks or additions, you can simply keep chatting with the AI to refine the slides further. But generating stunning slide decks is just the beginning. As you can see, Rational Go's autonomous agent is built to handle a vast array of complex tasks. Whether you need to design a complete brand identity, construct dynamic budget spreadsheets, code functional web apps, or scrape data for market research, Rational Go fundamentally changes how we work. It moves beyond simple conversational AI, acting as an autonomous partner that takes your instructions and gets the entire job done.